Hi, my name is Josh with Thomas HVAC here at City Lumber. Gonna check out a call for a drain issue that we got. Let's go check it out.
Working, grinding, hustling, praying, 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 working, grinding.
So I went ahead and made sure that the unit was level. I evacuated the drain line to make sure there was no clogs, and we got another happy customer.
Hey, Thomas HVAC was just here at City Lumber Company addressing a little problem we had with some condensation. Great guys, took care of it, answered questions, and made sure we were happy before they left. So we really appreciate it. Thanks, Thomas.